Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete HashPack account. So let's go and do that right over here. Now, as you can see, we are in the app, and what we will gonna do is go up to the right corner where you see these three lines, click on it, and then go to the accounts and select your account. So I will select this Vivaldi here, and as you can see here directly we have remove wallet. So click on it, remove. So this wallet will not affect your assets. Accounts can always be re-imported. So yes. And like that, we removed an account from our HashPack wallet. Now, if you want to delete the whole HashPack uh, account, basically everything, you can do that also. So let's go back at the top right corner where you see these three lines. Go to the general this time and scroll all the way down, and here you will see clear data. And if we do that, you will basically be logged out of your account and your data um, will be clear. But as you can see, you can always access back with your private key or seed phrase if you have it. So this is up to you. And we covered basically how you can delete account and how you can log out from HashPack wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.